Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Jane A. Apriane from the Philippines. I am 38 years old. I am married with two children, ages 17 and 11 years old. My family will take care of them while I work abroad. I am college level in Bachelor of Science, Hospital Restaurant Management. I am willing to tutor kids. I don't have work experience in Hong Kong, but I have work experience as domestic helper in Kuwait for 4 years, 2022-2026. I serve 6 members of the family, 1 couple, 4 adults, ages 28, 24, 19, 17 years old, and 1 year old children. I don't have tattoo, I don't have body operation, I don't smoke or drink alcohol. I want to work abroad for my family and I'm willing to take care of baby or children, pets like dog and cats. I can sing nursery song for kids. To my future employer, please hire me. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and I will treat your family like my own. Thank you.